How to fix OKX app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix OKX application not working issue. To fix issues with the OKX app not working, you can follow these steps. First of all, ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Also, simply restarting your device can resolve temporary glitches. You can simply restart your mobile device and check if that solves your problem. Also, ensure that you are using the latest version of your OKX application. To check that, you can open the Play Store of your device and tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Then in the search bar, type in OKX. Now search for it. Once you get the search results, you tap on the app icon to reach inside it. Inside it, if you find the update button, go ahead and tap on the update button in order to install the latest version of OKX. If you didn't see the update button, that means your application is already up to date. Once after updating your application, you can go ahead and log into your account. But if you didn't see the update button, that means your application is already up to date. You may go and clear the cache of the OKX application. To do so, first of all, open your device settings and in the settings page here scroll down to find application or apps option. Once you find it, tap on it to open it and here inside it you will need to find OKX application. Scroll to find the application. Once you find it, tap on it to open it. Inside it, here again you will need to scroll to find the storage option. Tap on storage. At the bottom right, you can see the clear cache option. Tap on the clear cache and this will clear all your cache. Now after clearing the cache, you can go ahead and open your OKX application and check if that resolved the issue. If updating and clearing the cache do not solve the problem, then you can try uninstalling and then reinstalling the application. To do so, on your device home screen, here long press on the app icon. And from here, tap on this uninstall option. Now tap on this OK button to confirm it. Once doing that, the application will be uninstalled from your device. Once the application is uninstalled from your device, now you will need to open your Google Play Store or any other app store. And in this page, tap on the search icon at the bottom right. And in the search bar, search for OKX. Once you search for it, you'll get the search results at the bottom. Tap on the app icon to open it. And here inside you'll be able to see the install button. Tap on install in order to reinstall the application on your device. Now once after reinstalling the application, you can go ahead and open it and log in to your account using your credentials. And then you'll be able to solve your problem. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix issues with OKX app effectively. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.